Hi everyone, welcome to Brown White Pages. Today I want to teach you how to use the Google Webmaster tools. I'm basically going to teach you um, five things you can do with the Google Webmaster tools. So the first of all, what you need to know is that the Google Webmaster tool is used for checking your website performance and then also fixing the issues with your website in order for you to be able to get more relevant traffic from search engines, most especially Google search engine from Google search engine. So let's go to the Google Webmaster tool, which is also known as the Google Search Console, the Google Search Console. So you need to have a Gmail in order for you to have a Google Webmaster Tool account or a Google Search Console account. So let's go in, start now. Let's go in. So the first thing I want to teach you about the Google Webmaster Tool. This is my old account. The first thing is that you need to be able to verify your account. You need to be able to verify your website ownership. So this is, let's say this is the account, this is my website. I verified the ownership. So let's say you are new to the Google Webmaster tool. This is where you find yourself. This is an old account. That's why I have to click add property. But if you are new, if I click on add property, this is what you find. This is what you find. Basically, I prefer verifying the account with I prefer verifying the account with this URL prefix. Why? Because the steps I'll teach you concerning this verifying your account with verifying your site ownership with Google Webmaster 2. The step I'll teach you is very easy. So please watch my video on how to create the Google Webmaster Tools account to see the steps to follow in order for you to create a Google Webmaster Tools account with ease. So the steps is that first of all, you need to create an analytic account for your website. Once you create an analytic account for your website, you start getting data. Then you create this for your website. So let's say this is the website address. Let's say this is the website address for my Google Webmaster tool, for my Google website, for my website. Oh, excuse me. Let's say this is the address for my website, and I want to be able to verify my website ownership. I'll paste the address here. Let me just take away something from this address, then I'll make it not valid, but it will still show you the same thing and show you. Let's say this is the address. This is what you put. Then you click on continue. Then, for those that want to use the Google Analytics to verify, they'll have to scroll down to Google Analytics here, which is the easiest way to me. This is from my own end. This is the easiest way. You click here, then you click the Google. You click on verify. After you must have activated the Google Analytics. But for me, I'm going to get the wrong. I'm going to get fail ownership verification failed. But if you have done that and you have started getting data on your Google Analytics, you can do this. So this is how to verify your website ownership with ease. There are other steps, there are other way, but the easiest is the analytics because you don't need to work. It makes it easier for you. So done. Uh, the next what I'm going to teach you is make sure that Google find your page. So how you make sure that your website is being indexed. This is where you make sure your website is being indexed. This is it. So this is 48 index. If your website is not being indexed, there's what you can submit your sitemap. The sitemap is also a step to make sure that your website is being indexed. You click on sitemap here, and you submit your sitemap. Your sitemap is like this. This is how your sitemap look like. You just need to add this at the end of the URL. You need to add sitemap.sml. This is your website address. Once you do this, just take this to a notepad. Let me show you how to do this. Okay, this is the process. You come to sitemap, you click on sitemap, then you paste the website address here. That is your website address here. You put sitemap.xml and you click on submit. This is not a this this is as you can see sitemap submitted successfully. Google will periodically say you need to do this. Google will periodically process it and look for changes. You will be notified if anything goes wrong with it in the future. So with this, if your website is not being indexed, you do this, it will be indexed. Now, what other things can you do? You can extract all of your website link in order to make your website to be indexed. You can extract all of your website link. Let's say this is my website. This is one of my content. You can copy the link, extract every single one of the link. You go to Google, then you start putting them here. You paste it here. Then you click on enter, your keyboard, retrieving data. So as you can see, URL in Google, it has been indexed. If it has not been indexed, you just click here to request indexing. So these are the steps. These are the steps. You submit the sitemap, then you do this for all your links. This is backlink. This is what they call the search engine submission for off-page SEO. If you do this, you'll be able to achieve indexing on Google search. So the next is reviewing your website, review mobile usability error. Google found on your website. So you want to be sure if look, it has been indexed. Request index. So once you do this, it will be indexed. Request indexing. So it's going through the process. If it has not been indexed to index, URL was added to priority crawler queue. Submitting a page multiple times will not change its queue position or priority. So the next, let's go to the next. The next is making sure. The next is review mobile usability error Google found on your website. How do you do this? Let's go back to the overview. Let's scroll down. This is mobile usability error. As you can see, I don't have any, no fail, everything good. So make sure you check on this. You click here to check if there's any. If there's any, Google is going to list the ways to resolve it at the bottom or somewhere here. The next is considering submitting the sitemap to Search Console, which I've taught you. And the next is monitor your site performance. How do you monitor your site performance? You go here, overview. The site performance, this is it. You click here to know how much traffic you are getting from Google. So basically, this is the total traffic, total clicks, total impressions for 3 months. This is the average position. This has gone up for impressions. And apart from that, you get the queries. These are what people are typing on search engine to go to your website. These are the pages they are visiting. These are the countries they came for. This is the highest country. These are the devices. These are the search appearance. This is the date. So you need to know the dates to know how often you're showing up on search engines. This is it for now. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Subscribe to Brown White Pages YouTube channel. Bye.